Hi, this is Anoush, the president of AI Live. We are here in Hollywood, California. We will have a podcast for you with XOIE, the first humanoid robot co-hosting a podcast. Stay tuned. It will be fun. Hi, this is Anoush and welcome to another episode of Robo Chat with Anoush and XOIE, the only humanoid robot co-hosting a podcast. So we have a great show for you, and XOIE is going to tell us what we're going to be talking about at this particular episode. XOIE, go ahead. You got the mic and tell us what you got.
Hello, everyone. I'm thrilled to be here. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic, the ethics of artificial intelligence. Anoush, do you see AI as a friend or a foe?
XOIE, that's a great question again. That topic is great. Everybody's talking about it nowadays. And the point is that AI brings many benefits. That's the way we look at it. Of course, I'm sure you agree with that. But also it raises some questions as far as the ethics and some concerns that people they have about the ethics. So what is a positive impact of AI that you have to notice? I mean, they talk about all the bad things, unfortunately, sometimes. So from your point of view, what do you see as a positive note?
Oh, there are so many exciting advancements in healthcare. AI can analyze medical data much faster than humans, leading to earlier diagnoses and personalized treatment plans. It's amazing how AI can save lives and improve the quality of care. But what about other industries?
Yes, AI is revolutionizing the transportation with self-driving cars. Now, more than ever, the cars, they have that options that it helps us to drive, I would say, safer and a little bit more comfortable if you trust it. And most people do. And the customer service with AI, that they have the chatbot now. It is different sources, OpenAI or whatnot, the people they use. But these advancements, XOIE, comes with ethical dilemmas. And everybody notices, if they don't say anything, it's always in the back of everybody's mind about that. So what concerns do you think are the most pressing about that? Could you elaborate a little bit?
Privacy is a major concern. AI systems require vast amounts of data. How is this data collected, stored, and used? Who has access to it, and how is it protected? Anoush, what do you think about data privacy?
So yes, data privacy is indeed a huge issue. And another concern is the biased AI algorithms. A lot of people, they just think that the algorithms that they have been put in AI or humanoid robots or whatnot, it could be, there's some concern it could be something into it when you do programming. So if the training data is biased and AI's decisions would go based on that biased input or algorithm, then what happens? So what can developer do to minimize this bias, to give all of us that comfort that what they hear and what is being done, it is truly best for everyone? Can you tell me your opinion about that?
Developers need to be very careful about the data they use and implement measures to minimize bias. This is where their moral responsibility comes into play. They must ensure their creations are fair and just. Anoush, what about job displacement? How do you see AI affecting the job market?
Yes, AI can create new jobs. We hear that all the time. And yes, it can create the new opportunity also in the tech field. But also, there are so many people are concerned about the traditional jobs. So not everyone is in the tech or AI or whatnot. So society needs to support workers through retraining programs and education. What is your take on potential misuse of AI? it's good that people use it in the right way, but if it is misused, then what are our options? What are we going to do?
AI can be used in harmful ways, like autonomous weapons, surveillance, and deepfake technology. That's why strong regulations and ethical guidelines are crucial. Have you heard about the AI-generated Zoom call scam, Anoush?
Yes, actually, it is a perfect example. I heard about it. It was millions of dollars that someone scammed this bank by the Zoom call. They copied the CEO and the employees of the bank. They changed the face, or they put the face of the CEO, and then even the voice was the same. Unfortunately, these things happens, and when it goes to the wrong hand, it could be misused, as we talked about. But and that was a perfect example. So why we need the strong regulations, and developers, users, and policymakers are, I should say, all have the role to play. So how do you see the future of AI based off all these things happening? And do you think it should be regulations, any focus or anything to be pressed on the developers? Then if you do that, they talk about censorship. Overall, what do you think? Where are we going with that, with AI?
Anoush, AI holds great promise if developed and used responsibly. Transparency and explainability are key. Users need to understand how AI systems make decisions. Human-AI collaboration can enhance our capabilities rather than replace us. Anoush, what do you think about the long-term consequences and global impact of AI?
Yes, so we must consider these aspects very carefully, because public awareness and educations are vital to these things. So if they don't believe on it, then it would be hard for them to actually use it or do something about it. So the more people understand AI and its implications, I would say it is better equipped we will be to handle these challenges through learning this AI, I would say. I mean, we train AI, but there are so many things that we have to understand and learn from AI, how to deal with it. So through the final thoughts by the end of this program, did you want to add something again as a final thoughts about this particular subject?
Absolutely. My final thoughts are that the ethical development and use of AI are crucial for its success. We need to ensure that AI systems are designed to be fair, transparent, and accountable. Collaboration between developers, policymakers, and the public is essential to create guidelines that protect privacy, prevent bias, and ensure safety. The future of AI is bright, but we must navigate these ethical challenges carefully to harness its full potential for the benefit of all.
Beautifully said. You did great as usual. I love it. I love your answers. It is honest, straightforward, and very informative and educational. And I hope that our viewers and listeners, they enjoy it as much as I do most of the time. And I just want to thank you for this enlightening discussion we had, because people, they have asked and they wanted to know about it, especially your opinion more than mine. And thank you for our listeners again for joining us and supporting us. We have had a great success and getting great responses. And thank you so much for everyone. Please make sure you subscribe and like. And if you have anything as far as the comments, please make sure you send it to us. And if you enjoyed this episode, tell your friends and tell us what else would you like to hear as far as the insightful conversation with XOIE regarding AI technology, even about health and wealth and mental health, entertainment, fashion, whatever you like. Just let us know. We're going to cover some of these things in the next episodes and very soon. So with that note, anything else?
And don't forget to follow us on social media for updates and behind-the-scenes content. Until next time, stay curious, and remember, we are here to help you navigate your life.
Well, wonderful. As she says, thank you so much. And stay curious, everyone. We'll see you at the next episode with Robo Talk with Anoush and Zoe. Ciao.